Hey my day ones, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and smash that subscribe button to take flight with us. And before we get into this video, please thumbs up and leave your thoughts and opinions down below, and let's go ahead and get into it. Lil Wayne announces tour with Blink 182. So y'all, get this. Lil Wayne is hitting the road with rock band Blink 182 for a rare tour this summer. Weezy and the veteran rock band consisting of Travis Barker, Mark Hoppus, and Matt Skiba on the guitar will hit up cities around the United States throughout the summer. Wayne and the band will kick off the tour at the end of June in Columbus, Ohio, and roam across the country and even one night in Toronto, Canada, before concluding the tour at Camden, New Jersey in September. The tour announcement comes just days after Wayne teased the possibility of a brand new album coming soon. On Tuesday, April 30th, Weezy posted an emoji of a coffin to his Instagram story. Since he posted the image, fans have been speculating that Wayne could drop his long-rumored funeral project, which he first teased nearly 3 years ago. So check out the tour dates below to see when Lil Wayne and Blink 182 are going to head to your town. And it looks like they're going to be in Dallas on August 2nd. That's 12 days before my birthday. I'm excited. What do you guys think about that? Are y'all down for that? Do y'all like Blink 182 and Lil Wayne? Let me know. Leave comments down below and tell me what you guys think.